unforgiveness like you drinking poison and expecting the next person to die. My people, my name is Marindung. Hey, thank you very much for coming to my channel. If your first time turning into this channel, thank you very much for turning into my channel. Do not forget to hit the subscription button. It is a red button underneath this video. If you're my old subscriber, my old family, thank you very much for coming to this channel. Thank you very much for being a family. 2021 is a year of breakthrough. We are blowing. Thank you very much. Thank you for being a family and everything. For coming once more and watching my video. I don't take this for granted. I appreciate very much. And I thank everyone for your comments, for everything. Positive and negative. I appreciate so much. My people, because not everybody watch my videos. Some people just click on it and go. So if you can watch it, I appreciate you very much. My people, today not really a reaction to give my own views, because sometimes as small content creators, as we are trying to grow as growing YouTubers, sometimes we are being seen because of the reaction videos. But one thing I was being taught in a class by you know, you have to, if you attend all these master classes, they are very helpful. You benefit even one thing from the master class. In each master class, I attended the one with Nelo and Adeze, attended with Editorial, and attended with Diana Ekweme. My people, I'm telling you, in each of them, there is something I benefit different from each of them. At least one thing that at least help me daily to give me 1 subscribers. If it's 1 subscribers, something to push me upward. I'm telling you. Those master class are very important. I want to say something that one thing that Dana Ekweme, like, she specified in her master class. You know, my channel is called Marindung. That is a brand. So I'm trying to create a brand for myself. I'm trying to create a brand for myself. I'm looking at the future, that 10 years to come. What will happen to that my brand? Hear what she said. So if I'm doing a reaction video, they have seen they are talking about somebody, I just enter, I'm giving saga, I'm supporting the other side. Tomorrow, I don't know the person I was against. If that person, there's a favor concerning this YouTube street, you don't know who you might meet. That person is the one that have that key to open me that door in this YouTube street for me to enter. But because I did a saga and criticize that person, obviously normal human tendency, 99% will refuse to help you. 1% of people can have the mind of God and help you, or church mind, but it's difficult. Normally they will refuse to do it because you're against the person. So if you are doing saga, you know you have a brand you're going. Even you're coming to do a reaction video, don't take side with anybody. Just give your own opinion. Just try to support. To bring like peace. Don't be like you're giving, you're supporting, you enter and yeah. That was what I learned. Because I remember one other saga already had a video I wanted to do about that. I already edited that video and everything. But because of what she said, I said she's very right. And she's very right. See what is happening now in our YouTube street. What I want to say is that my own opinion about what everything that is happening. About everything that has happened. Forgiveness is very important, because if you don't forgive somebody, it's like you're drinking poison, waiting for the next person to die. I know it's a difficult thing. It takes some people time to forgive, but above everything, forgiveness is good. The person must not be your friend, but just to have your clear mind. You see that person on the street, you make hi, hey. The person need you for everything you do. It's going to take you a long way, take your children a long way. Open you more doors. Forgiveness. I can give you testimony upon testimony upon testimony in my own personal life about people that hurt me personally, what they did to me, and I still forgive them. It made God to elevate me, God to put me in a position. God gave me a lot of favors, some type of doors that God opened because of some people I forgive. Let me tell you something. I'm saying I'm going to do a no me video. I have scoliosis, which means that's a spine in the curve, which means my spine is curved, and I used to put on braces as a child. So that's a disability. Since as a baby, I grew myself like that. Long story short, I had 4 months I was sick, and so it happened to me. So I had a lot of people that some people hate me physically, that they'll see me. Somebody say, when I see you like that, I don't even like you, I hate you. Somebody will tell me that, I beg, you are not even supposed to come to school, take yourself home. Some people will tell me that, why are you looking? When there are people are talking, you are talking also. So people knew that I will never succeed, I will not get married, I can never have children. Many people already write me off. Even people that knew me now that I was still little, when they ask that, where is that little girl that was little here? When they tell them where I am and tell them what I'm doing, they'll be saying, God though. It means impossibilities can become possible. Yes, of course. So many people that have heard me and they come back to me, and I forgive them with my whole heart, with my whole mind, and I let it go, and I'm healthy. Not that they'll be my friend, they must not be your friend, because the Bible says love everybody, but like everybody and love them, but not everybody is allowed to be your friend. You can select your friend. If I don't select you as my friend, friendship is a choice. So if you don't be my friend, doesn't mean that I don't love you. It's only, it can be, if you want something, I give you, oh hi, but we must not have that close relationship. But forgive the person. Forgiveness is very necessary. Then to see somebody, not to say that I'm sorry, is a difficult thing. I always say that in my last video, it happened in marriage, is a normal life. For somebody to tell that, some people wrong you and they still refuse to tell that they are sorry. You need to meet people like that. They will not say it. They will say, I better die than to tell you sorry. They won't tell you sorry. But like what the other lady did, like Lily Pope came out and said she's sorry. She called everybody. She called Adeze forgive. She called Sandra forgive. She called Anelo. I guess Nelo say no, you have to text me. That's her own way. You have to text her. I guess with time, maybe her heart is bubbling. She's going to forgive. She has to forgive. She has to forgive Lily in order to move on way. I'm telling you, because forgiveness is a good thing. Just let it go, Nelo. Forgive her, and she must not be in your clique. She must not be your friend. Just let it go. Then another issue again about Lily Pope and story of motherhood. I'm pronouncing rightly. Story of motherhood is someone that I admire. She has a great personality. Because of her personality, her boldness, and that's what attracts me to her, the way she talks. And her personality, as I said it, she is not biased, she's straightforward. And she said that nobody is her friend on this YouTube street, which is good because you don't take sides with anybody. And then she have apologized, which is very important also. She apologized to all those people that she fight because she was looking out for Lily Pope, and she has said it again. And many people have learned that one. I learned from the class, from attending the class of Diana Equipment. But above everything, the only mistake I know that Lily Pope made was that she did not contact people like Story of Motherhood and the other people that supported her. And just let them know that, my friends, I'm going to call and apologize to those people. Please, I just want to let you people know. No. She did that also, and that make her, I don't know, that for that point, to me personally, she could have called and said, my friends, I want to tell you guys something, because they have been working together. I want to tell you guys something. I am going to call them. I'm going to apologize to them. And can we do a join to hear their own idea? They might say that let's do a combined call. Everything can be done, or do it and for the sake of all of us and apologize for all of us. But she called Jele herself. That one, she did the right thing by asking for forgiveness, but she wronged the other people by not telling them. That's my own opinion. No? So, but above everything, we just pray for peace. Story of motherhood. You are angry. I can feel your pain, but please just forgive Lily Pope. She's a human being. She has made a mistake. Just forgive her. Let it go. She must not be your friend again. But on this YouTube street, I'm telling you, life is a mystery. You don't know who you meet. You know this YouTube street, when you hear about somebody, you just judge. Like me now, you're seeing me on the camera. How many minutes do you see me? I used to be 20 minutes. My personality on this camera is different from my real life. So what I'm showing you here, you take it and judge me. You are wrong about that. Because let me stay in the camera for 1 hour. After that, there's 23 hours I'm going to leave. So you don't know my life behind the camera. So you cannot take and judge me. So sometimes us as small YouTubers are just running. Yes, a saga, you're there. You're taking one side, you're judging, You cannot gain favoritism from human being. You see this YouTube shit is the algorithm that will pick you and make you skyrocketing. And it's only God that can pick your name and put in that algorithm and make you skyrocket. Even if they put you in Wodemaya's channel, you gain 1 million subscribers in one day. But if you don't have the favor of God in you, those people will not come back and watch your video. That's the truth about it. I always say, if God has favored you, God has favored you. If God wants you to blow, God will want you to. So only God can favor us. So we should not be doing things because we want this person to like me. We want this person. I know what somebody to expose you. I'm looking for, if a big YouTuber expose me, I'll be happy. That's an opportunity that I can use and fly. And I say that Wodemaya is going to be my John the Baptist. It might not be Wodemaya. Wodemaya must not choose me, but Jesus above everything will be my Messiah. Jesus is the one that said, today I want you to blow. Today I'm blowing. The next day I can be 1 billion subscribers. Nothing is impossible with God. He can do anything. If the algorithm pick, you pick. I know only God can put your name there and make the algorithm to favor you. So sometimes on this YouTube street, we should not make videos to hurt other people. We have come here to educate, to learn, to entertain, to have fun, and to meet new friends, not to meet hate, not to be arguing. We are too small now. African YouTubers, we are too small. Too much this, too much this, too much this. Oh God, I pray for peace between Lily Pope, and because Lily Pope have asked peace on the other side, now war has begun on the other side. She will ask peace for forgiveness, but the other people now, she did not do the right thing because she did not tell them, which is true, because they have been in this struggling together. They have been fighting together. So she could have called and let peace win. And next time when somebody is doing saga, you don't, any small YouTuber, don't just jump because you want the content and even if you're talking the saga, somebody like me, I join because I do react, but I don't insult anybody. I don't favor nobody. Nobody, even the person is right or wrong, I just keep my comment on myself. I don't come and favor nobody. I learned that from Diana Ekweme's class. Because if I did not attend that class, I'm sure I could have been in this mess right now. So Diana Ekweme, you are a brand. So if you're a brand, hold yourself well. I'm a brand. Marindung is a brand. 10 years from now, you don't know who you'll be. Look at the future. Don't look at the present. With this YouTube money, let me tell you something. What the YouTube will pay you is change. All this one is change. But if you start have sponsorship and God just put one sponsorship on your name, a breakthrough, you have skyrocketed, you have changed for life. Your whole generation has changed. Oh, God opened you a door because of this YouTube. Sometimes the money don't even want it, but the doors that it will open, it's more than the money. The breakthrough that you have. So keep doing what you're doing. Enjoy what you're doing. Keep advising. If you're coming to do comedy, do your comedy. Do those things to help people. You entertain. Even 50 people watch me, for example. Not everybody will like me. Among that 50, I have blessed the life of one person, I'm sure. One person have listened to me and is beneficial to something else. I'm telling you, so it has taught all of us a good lesson, and we have learned. So I just pray for peace between Lily Pope again and Story of Motherhood. Let peace just reign. Peace should reign, please. I also pray that forgive Lily Pope. Let it go. For banter to NJ, I call her NJ. NJ Chuchu, just let it go. Nello sister, just forgive, let it go. Unforgiveness like you drinking poison and expecting the next person. No matter what the person have done, even in real life, forgiveness is medicine.